Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio Visual in Winchester. This is a little video of a new Kenwood we fitted into this Transporter T5. It's a 2008 Transporter, and we've installed a Kenwood DMX7525DABS into this. The old stereo had just gone faulty and they wanted a nice, clean, easy, flush fit stereo. As you can see here, it's all nicely fitted in, nice and flush. This unit's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wirelessly and wired. We've got a USB in the glove box here. As you can see here, press the home button there, and you've got digital radio, Android Auto facilities there. If you go CarPlay, you get all your CarPlay facilities as you would do normally on most of them, on all CarPlay units. Press the home button again. This has got a camera input as well, although this van hasn't got a rear camera. You can have a rear camera integrated, so when it goes into reverse you can have it. You've got all your sources here, so you've got an HDMI for a fire stick or something like that if you wanted to. You've got an AV in as well. It's a really nice easy unit to use. If you'd like to have this done in your Transporter, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.